Here is a quick unboxing and review of the Logitech G240 cloth gaming mousepad. I bought it at Walmart for around $18 or so. Here are the technical specifications. Width is 340 mm. Depth is 280 mm. Thickness is 1 mm. Weight is 90 grams. Surface selected for optimal Logitech G gaming mouse sensor performance. Consistent surface texture for improved gaming performance. Moderate surface friction for low DPI mouse control. Comfortable 1mm rubber base stays in place during high-intensity gaming. And that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this robotic voice narration and unboxing of the Logitech G240 cloth gaming mousepad. If this video was helpful, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button. Subscribe to this channel and donate blood to your local donation center. Tell all your friends about it too. Also, if you have any questions about this mousepad, leave a comment below. Have a good day. For the rest of this video, please enjoy some groovy copyright-free music courtesy of YouTube.